Hello friends, Jai Bhim. Good afternoon everyone. This is Komali Ambedkar. Friends, today I came on live for giving the message one incident. Friends, yesterday one inhuman incident was registered from the Andhra Pradesh that came under the light from the Andhra Pradesh. Friends, one woman, her name Sirisha, she was thrashed and she was beaten and she was assaulted by the one family members. They name Munikannappa. He was given the 80,000 rupees borrowed money loan to the victim person's husband. His name Timmarayappa. He was borrowed the 80,000 rupees from the Munikannappa 3 years before. You know, he who was borrowed the money, who was lended the money, he was able to repay that lended money. That is why who was the Timmar Rayappa. He was away from the village. He was abandoned from the village. He was escaped from the village. Then after, who is the Sirisha? She giving the money, some money which she able to give. That money she was repaying, but which is the remaining money she unable to repay. The time who was given the loan, who was given the money, they were when she going on through her way, the village outskirts. That time who was the Munikannappa, he forcefully brought to her and he abused and he assaulted with the abused language and he beaten, he thrashed to the woman Sirisha, and first of all he tried with the neem tree. Presence of the villagers, he assault and he thrashed, he beaten, and their family members also. What is going on? Where we are? Nowadays also such kind of incidents and occurrence have been continuing. Who was given the loan, who was given the borrowed money, they hadn't show the any sympathy on them. Presence of the her son, they beaten and they abused her. What is going on, especially Andhra Pradesh. This incident broken and this incident registered from the Chittoor district, Kuppam Mandal. That Kuppam constituency, whose constituency? That one, the CM Chandrababu Naidu constituency. Even though there is no security, there is no any responsibility on the public and people. What is going on? Day to day, when that government came on the rule, that since the time to still know the different kind of incidents and different kind of issues was registered, that one have been continuing also. Where is the government? Where is the society? Where is the department? What they are doing? Where is the home? What she doing? Where is the DCM? What he doing? They doesn't do anything else. Only they doing themselves, their what they needed, that only they are doing, and that only they are can they only doing that one. really I am sad about. When I was watch that in video, really I shocked myself. Really I am first of all sending my regret to the victim person, and the Chittur district DSP SP should be take the issue as a initiate, and should be give the stringent action to them who was beaten, who was assaulted, who was thrashed to the Sirisha. Really I am sad about this government, the AP government. Day to day what happening, what happening, day to day, that one have been continuing, and have been the rising. There is no cups, there is no control. Where is the land order, where is the department? Completely the AP government, Andhra Pradesh, the land order, they completely the land order derived by the AP government, the Chandrababu Naidu government. They have not the responsibility on the society and public and people. That is why such like incidents happening and registering. I am demanding to the AP government, CM should be give the 1 crore ex gratia to the victim person who was the Sirisha, and should be first of all give the support and one job also. This is my humble demand to the AP government, Andhra Pradesh. Many issues registering happening. What they are doing? Really I am sad, and really I am condemning this government, and this government should be give the ex gratia 1 crore rupees. This is my demand to the government. Thank you. Jai Bhim.